have amongst us Mr. Pankaj Agarwal. Pankaj, are you there? Let me just, Mr.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, excellent, sir, excellent. So, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal is an executive director of a very illustrious company that he grew from 5 crores to 100 crores. The name of his company is 3 Aces Global Logistics Private Limited. He's a great networker and an avid traveler. So over to you, Pankaj. Pankaj will talk about his work and the challenge he's facing on his business front. So here you go. Over to you, sir. If you want the screen share, it'll be given to you.
Okay, please
Yeah,
give screen share.
yeah, already there, sir. Go ahead.
Where is this? So this is about 3 Aces Global Logistics. Our motto is trust us to deliver. This is our core team, the chairman in the middle, and rest of us all senior people here. It was established in 1989, and we have offices across India. Customs broker, IATA agent, MTO, registered with FIATA. We then registered in Noida as CHA. We have offices in Ludhiana, Noida, Transport Division, and Chennai office. Then we are part of many international logistics networks like WCA, Cooperative Network. So all these networks give us connectivity with like-minded companies all over the world. So we handle all imports and export shipments, door deliveries, pickups, and other local logistics with them. We basically provide all services for custom brokerage, air exports, sea exports, imports by air freight, imports by sea freight, whether it is small shipments or big shipments, LCL, FCLs, project cargoes. And then we got registered with FMC. This is for US shipments, and AEO from Government of India. So this is about the background of the company. Now, few of the services: ocean freight, all types of ocean freight, air freight, direct, consolidated shipment, door to door, charter services. We have our own trucking division, our own warehouse in New Delhi. We do lots of cross-country triangle freight shipments, custom brokerage, cargo insurance, packaging, and these are the accreditations that we have: FIATA, ACAI, Custom Broker Association, ITA, Conqueror, MTO, AEO, Cooperative Network, and all. So this was the basically small presentation about us, but I would like to talk more about logistics, international logistics that I say. So international logistics basically consists of 3 things. One is, as I mentioned, custom brokerage of inbound and outbound shipments. Number two is international logistics part of that, that is by air and by sea. And third one is the local logistics by road in the destination countries or from the origin. So we handle all from end to end also, and we can handle any particular part of it. Like if you want us to do only customs clearances of your shipments in at arrival in India or for exports from India, we do that also. If you want us to handle your freights also, we handle the freights. And for freights, basically, we are like agents of all the airlines and shipping lines. So whenever there's any shipments, we book space through that particular airline or shipping line for your cargoes. We negotiate rates for them and book space accordingly. Same way for sea shipments, we book full containers. You must all must have seen containers moving around. 20-feet containers, 40-feet containers, 40-feet high cube containers, then flat rack, open top, then reefer containers. Reefer container is where the temperature control is maintained throughout the journey. These are basically used for pharmaceutical products, food items, meat. So we handle that also. And our specialty has been to handle the pharmaceutical exports from India, basically. So we handle all types of pharma exports where you have need for normal transportation, or maybe we need to maintain temperature, which is like 4 to 8 degrees, 15 to 25 degrees, or 8 to 12 degrees, any kind of temperature condition that is required to be maintained. So we get a solution according to that and handle the shipments. And of late, during the pandemic time, we have been handling lots of pharmaceutical exports out of India. We handled many chartered flights from India to CIS countries, to Middle East, to Frankfurt, and that has really helped us during this time, because normal exports of garments and other auto parts and so many other things was not happening, but pharmaceutical was one sector from India which was really moving at fast pace. So this is about us, and as I mentioned, we have offices all across India: New Delhi, Ludhiana, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Krishnapatnam, and Hyderabad. So we serve our clients pan India basis and all across the globe uh, through our global networks that we have. So anything in logistics uh, that you need, or any of your known people or your clients need, you can get in touch with us and we will not disappoint you, because we are in the business for 32 years now and understand the nitty-gritty of the logistics. And with the in logistics, you need to have people think logistics is a very simple thing, that okay, you talk to a forwarder and you give your business to him, but you should be knowing what credentials he has. Is he a custom broker? He's an ITA agent? He is registered with MTO? Is he FMC registered? What international support they have? And top of it, how much of financial strength and integrity they have. It is very important for your service provider to be financially sound. Otherwise, there are chances that you book your business, but due to financial constraints, your service provider may not be actually able to handle your business at some stage. So that also is very, very important. And I am looking to connect with any importers and exporters. Nowadays, there are lots of new plants going to come up in NCR, especially in Noida region. So where there will be huge imports and later exports also. So we need to connect with them and start handling their business.
Thank you, Pankaj. This was wonderful presentation. I'm sure this will allow all the members and visitors to